Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Spiegel Mom Scraps. This layout was actually created for the Instagram hop that we did yesterday with Clique Kits, and I'm sharing the video with my process today. So the girls on Spiegel Mom Scraps were given access to this beautiful cut file that was, it's a Clique Kit exclusive cut file. And I absolutely loved this. And you know, wreaths are kind of like a big thing right now in scrapbooking, and it's something that I have not personally gotten super into just because I hate circles. Circles hate me. Like, I always feel like they look off, and if they're not like perfectly round, it drives me crazy. But anyhow, this turned out perfectly because I cut it with my silhouette. So what I did is I sprayed it with some adhesive spray, and then I adhered it down to a page protector because I will be making a shaker pocket. I know, shocking. Um, but once I saw this, I knew immediately what I wanted to do. So I have these Paige Evans die cuts, and they're a mixture between uh, Turn the Page and Oh My Heart, I think. Something like that. And it's just a bunch of the florals and some butterflies and like the random animals. Like there's a jackrabbit and a crane and a teacup I'm also going to get on here, which is super exciting because they're gone now. So I'm going to use this photo of my daughter, and it's just a Snapchat photo, and she looks gorgeous as usual, and it doesn't really tell a story or anything. So it just worked out really well for this layout. So I'm positioning all these florals around the wreath or the cut file and creating a wreath around it. And I'm just using my ATG to stick everything down. And I haven't adhered the circle down yet because I want to get all of these little pieces in, and then I'm going to take the layout over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to stitch around the circle with some gold thread. And by the magic of YouTube, I am going to be back here in a second, and I've already stitched around, but I did leave a big hole underneath where my photo is going to go because I'm going to fill it full of sequins. So now it's going to become the shaker pocket. And I'm using the Pastel Pasture, and these are the perfect color to match any Paige Evans cut, not cut file, collections. Like, it's just perfect colors. It's got the purple, it's got kind of the orangey color, some green in there, and some blue and white, and it's just perfect. So what I did is I marked behind my photo, and then I'm going to go stitch just so that the sequins don't fall behind the picture because it's kind of wasted back there. So I'm just stitching that, and I'm going to add the die cuts that I wanted to have overlapping my cut file and my photo. I'm going to layer them down, popping my photo up on some fun foam, and then just going to adhere the rest of this down. Now normally it would not go this quickly, but I did pre-plan this while I was waiting for that die cut, or for that cut file to cut out. So I pre-planned where I wanted all my flowers and everything, so it was way faster. But usually it does not just come to me like that. So if you ever wonder about us YouTube girls, we do not have our stuff together as much as it looks like as we are creating these things in front of you, just so you're aware. So now I'm going to use some Zats, and I'm going to sprinkle around some of the remaining sequins here and just mixing it up and putting them all around and trying to make sure all the colors are represented in all the areas. So if you don't already, you should head on over to Facebook and join the 15 Minutes of Scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps Facebook group. There's also the Instagram page that you should check out because that's where you're going to see all of the awesome inspiration from the sparklers. And if you tag Spiegel Mom Scraps on Instagram, you might be featured as well. So just a little hint there. Don't forget you can use my code Daisie15 anytime for 15% off your next purchase. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be my layout. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Spiegel Mom Scraps YouTube channel. and I will see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!